Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A21s, and let me show you how to activate or deactivate dial pad sounds on the following device. So if you'd like to enter some number right now, you will be able to hear the sounds. So let me just volume it up. It's a bit muted, but still it is working. If you'd like to change it, just open the settings, pick sounds and vibration, go a bit lower, and here you'll find system sound. So as you can see, the dial pad is active. If you would like to switch it off, smoothly mark the switcher, and now there will be no sound included. And then if you'd like to go back to the sound and your dial pad, just click here, and from now on dialing keypad sounds will be active. And this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.